Hey guys, Mr. Thaxton here. I hope everybody had a great Monday and got the week off to a great start. And know that if it wasn't the best Monday that you could have, it was a Monday where it's just like, oh, I can't believe it's Monday. Well, good thing, guys, it's Tuesday and we can start over and have a great day. As always, if there's anything I can do for you, let me know. I will help you in any way possible. So today, I'm excited about today because the assignment you're going to do is you're going to take the information that you've learned so far or that we have gone over so far, and you're going to create something. And anytime I give an activity or an assignment to fifth graders where it's you're creating something, I am so impressed by how creative you are. And so I think this will be the same thing as well with this assignment. So for your assignment today, you're going to take the information that you've learned about so far. The videos that you watched yesterday will be very helpful, but you're going to create your own map. So if I click on the assignment button right here, and it goes to the assignment, it says create a map. Create a map. Your map can be created on the computer or hand-drawn. So that means you can use a program to use to make the map, or you can get a piece of paper, a pencil, crayons, whatever, and draw a map if you choose. Your choice. Your map can be based off a real place, or it can be completely made up. Use your imagination and be creative. I think last year when I did this assignment, some of the creative ones that I saw were of their neighborhood. Someone drew a map in their house, getting it from one place to another. I saw some do some video games, maps from video games where they illustrated different levels or different places on the video game, and things like that they really were really into. It's up to you. So it can be real or it can be made up. That is fine. There are three things, though, I want you to include in your map. The first is you need to have a compass rose on there. If you're not sure what a compass rose is, stop right here and go back to yesterday's video on YouTube, and it will go over a compass rose. The second one is a scale. You need to have a scale because the map that you are drawing is not of actual scale or size. So you need to have a scale showing how big it really would be in real life. And then the third would be a legend, a map legend. And that's kind of just giving us info about what different things mean. So also, all three of those things, they were in the videos you watched yesterday that you can go back and see about that. This project or this activity or assignment might take a couple days. So tomorrow, if you don't finish it today or you're like, I only can work on it for a little bit of time, that's fine. Well, actually, what I recommend you doing is once you're done with this video today, and when you've done your CNN10, which we'll talk about in a minute, set a timer, get your stuff, set a timer for about 30 to max of 45 minutes and work on this map. Some of you may finish. Some of you may just be getting started or just be brainstorming. That's fine, because tomorrow you will be working on this as well if you have not finished. If you do finish it today, tomorrow you will not have an actual assignment. So you'll still have the video you need to watch, but you won't have an actual assignment. So this is kind of a 2-day assignment, and it could be stretched even farther if it takes longer. This is not due until the end of the week, so that is fine as well. Any questions about creating a map, you can add it to the comment box at the bottom. Or what I recommend doing is emailing me or sending me a message through Schoology, and I'll answer it as best I can. To submit it at the end, there's different ways you can do it. If it's on the computer, just upload the file onto Schoology and do it that way. Or if you did it on paper, you can just take a picture of it and then upload it to the Schoology. Once again, if you have any questions about that, just send me an email or message and I'll help you with that. So we're taking the information that we have learned and we are creating a map that we can show our learning about some important terms. I would like to see also how many of you, if you add this is kind of a bonus, add latitude and longitude lines, maybe just to show that you know the meaning of them. That'd be great. So the other thing that you need to do today is your CNN 10. So your CNN 10, same as always. You'll click on the link. When you click on the link, you will watch CNN 10. Remember, you are to watch CNN 10 every single day. So if you didn't watch it yesterday, that's okay, but make sure you watch CNN 10 every single day. But you only have to write about CNN 10 on the days that it shows up on the calendar. So this week it's today, Tuesday, and Friday. And so what you do is you choose either to write 5-sentence summary about CNN 10, or do a 3-2-1, which is the same thing for the CNN 10. So once again, any questions about that, let me know. Well, not much for me talking today. I want you to go ahead and get started with your assignment. Just know that these resources right here are here to help you. And if you need anything else to help you, just let me know. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you on Wednesday.